Dinesh D'Souza. Nash, to you. His new book is called America. Whenever I hear somebody trying to rewrite the past, I always assume that they have their eye on the prize, indeed the future. I think that laying this base code into our hard drive of self-loathing, guilt, and ill-gotten gains, what do you think they want in the future? Does it stop at socialism in your eyes from the progressive movement? What do you see? What are they shooting for? What's the eye on the prize?
In some ways, I think, Dennis, it's worse than socialism, because the early socialists basically just wanted everyone to have the same pie, right? They said, look, we got a nice big red apple cherry pie here. Let's just give everybody a similar slice. I think what's going on now, and this to me is very chilling, is that we're seeing the government begin to accumulate a frightening amount of power, knowledge over the citizens. Jeremy Bentham, a couple of 100 years ago, designed what he called a panopticon, a kind of invisible prison in which you could see right through the glass and see what everybody was doing. Well, we're moving toward an American panopticon in which our government now has that kind of information and power over its own citizens. So how that's going to be used remains to be seen, but the prospects are a little frightening.
We're talking to Dinesh D'Souza. Dinesh, are we too far down the road? Is it solvable in your eyes? And
I think that I'm worried that this beautiful American era, which started in 1945, it's been a very special time to be an American, and most Americans actually take it for granted. It's going to be very painful if it goes away, and I'm worried it is slipping away. But I think that if America is aware of what's going on, if people's eyes are open, they will act. I think the genius of Obama is he's the master of camouflage, which is an old Alinskyite strategy. Pretend to be the thing that you're not. And he's really good at that. And it seems like he's preparing to pass the baton on to Hillary, and we'll see whether that works and whether she's equally adept at that. But I'm hopeful. I think that information is power, and that we're in the film and in the book, we're going to blow the whistle on these people. We're going to raise the curtain on all these taboos. We're going to reveal some hidden history. We're going to show some political intrigue, and I think it's going to cause a big stir.